How to make your profile private on Deezer mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to make your profile private on Deezer mobile. First then open Deezer and here you will find this settings icon here in the top corner. Click on it and then just scroll down until you find here this one, uh, private profile, and if you want to enable it just click on it, and as you see private profile have been enabled. Now just go back, it will be saved, and that's how to make your profile private on Deezer. And that's it for today's video. Don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end and see you in the next video.